Hello viewers, Assalamu alaikum. How have to be guys? Most welcome my YouTube channel. I hope so guys you are also fine. In this video I am introducing awesome bodycon bodycon dresses ideas that's very beautiful. Let's see. And guys, I'm sharing the elegant information ideas which I'm sharing, and you can gain a different thinking ideas related to my YouTube channel. Hope so friends you will enjoy this video because these are very beautiful elegant information I'm introducing. Kindly friends subscribe my YouTube channel and you can gain a different thinking information ideas that's I'm introducing with you. You can gain a different thinking ideas, different terminologies collection that's I'm sharing with you. You can enjoy these beautiful ideas and have a very beautiful information. Subscribe my YouTube channel and you can gain a different thinking ideas that's very beautiful inning style ideas I'm introducing. You can enjoy, and these are very beautiful information. Hope so guys you will like its beautiful bodycon collection ideas that I'm introducing with you. And kindly friends you can gain a different thinking information ideas related to my YouTube channel. You can enjoy a beautiful information collection ideas that's I'm introducing with you. Hope so friends you will gain a different thinking information ideas that's I'm introducing with you, and you can gain a different ideas, different terminologies collection ideas where I'm introducing with you. You can enjoy beautiful sophisticated ideas, elegant information collection ideas that I'm introducing. Subscribe firstly my YouTube channel and you can gain a different thinking information collection ideas I'm introducing with you, and you can gain a different ideas where I'm introducing. You can enjoy its beautiful information. You can enjoy its beautiful information ideas. These are very beautiful and elegant information collection ideas I'm introducing. Hope so friends you will enjoy its beautiful video because that's very beautiful meaning style ideas I'm introducing. You can enjoy my design and different information ideas. Thank you so much friends for watching this video. At the last, next time I will meet you with beautiful and elegant ideas where I'm introducing with you. And have a nice day friends with best and good wishes.